आर्थिक गुन्हे फाट्याचे अधीक्षक सुनीता सावंत हिच्याकडे दक्षिण गोवा अधीक्षक पदाचो अतिरिक्त तात्पुरतो ताबो दिला. हे विशींचो आदेश अवर सचिवान जारी केला.
मॅडम आज तुमका साऊथ SP म्हणून पोस्ट मेळ्ळा, ॲडिशनल पोस्ट. मॅडम कितें सांगतली आनी कितें चॅलेंजीस आतां तुमकां मुखार येतल्यो?
Good afternoon. Today is a great day. It's a carnival day in Margao, and I'm there in my office. So this is a great posting, and I'm happy for the posting. I'll see that I will do the complete justice to the responsibilities given to me by my senior officer, DGP sir, and by the government. I know most of the officers working in the south. I have called for their meeting also tomorrow to get myself appraised of the latest situations and issues in the district. I'll see that I will do all the justice to the duties what are casted upon me.